Good morning, guys. Yeah, so today is 7th of December, and I know I'm late on Vlogmas, like a week late on Vlogmas, but I woke up feeling motivated enough to start now. And even if I don't do daily, I can be combining like a day or two or three in post. I usually post 2 or 3 videos per week. Now I can do like 5, maybe skip a day or two. We'll see. So yeah, I have decided just in case I do Vlogmas, let me start today. This morning it's around 9 a.m. Just woke up and I'm having breakfast. Then today will also be the day. I'm really hoping Hubby's not around, but we were supposed to go shopping today, so I'm hoping he will make it. Yeah, so that I put up my Christmas tree. I really wanted to put up Christmas tree very early this year. Normally I put it on 24th and then just enjoy it 25th through January until my son's birthday. That's when we take it down. But this year I wanted it to be the whole of December before Christmas, okay? So I'm hoping we'll do that today as well. And yeah, I also want to make my advent calendar today. That is also if I don't find one in the supermarket. I had told you I wanted to be bougie this year, but I'll attempt to still make mine DIY. So stay with me today, and I hope you enjoy the day. And yeah, so let me show you what I'm having for breakfast, then we'll see. So for breakfast, I'm having the mandazis I made yesterday. So yeah, mandazis and then some carrots. If you have watched my weekend trip vlog, you know why carrots are really important to me right now. And if you haven't, please watch it and leave a comment on what you think. Then I'm having 1 egg and 1 smoky. Then I have my hot cup of cocoa, as usual. Cocoa therapy, my friend. Sorry, baby. Bless you. Why are you sneezing? Yeah, so I'll see you when you see me next. So unfortunately, I didn't record again that day until later in the evening when me and Hubby decided to do some work, have some catch up, because I told you earlier he wasn't around, and have some crazy fun. I hope you're enjoying the video so far.
Dioyo kameisha. Si ni wale wasee bogi pa pa pa. Hii ni nini red pares tunakuja tunapata pa pa pa.
Hamna bahati. Umesahau kusema squad 26.
Squad 26 pa pa pa. And that's how they lost their jobs.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's sad.
Early the next morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
It's my YouTube channel.
Babe, it's our.
It's
we have
No,
appeared in
no,
that
no,
YouTube channel for quite a long time now. So it's our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
What is mine is ours. What is yours is mine.
Ati nimekuwa mweupe.
Hi guys. Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Our YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel.
Okay. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Thank you. And I have a guest.
Yes, we will be paid. At the end of it all, I will be paid.
I have
the
a guest.
fee. Yeah.
No, he's voluntarily doing this because he loves being in our channel.
I don't do things for free.
He loves being in our channel, don't mind him. Anyway, so today I've decided to
come and donate a tank to this KCB bank here in Juja.
Yeah, we are basically running errands. Yeah. We are running errands.
Donating tanks.
Donating what?
Water tanks.
Why would the bank need water tanks?
Yeah, because theirs is very small. Look at that. It's very small, so we are donating water tanks.
We need to repeat this whole thing, but I won't repeat. So,
when did you stop saying you won't repeat again? When did you drop that? word again. You always
I
said
won't
I'll not
repeat.
repeat again.
I won't repeat.
Okay. At least we are growing now. Okay.
Yeah. So we're here running some errands. So today I have a day planned out. Not planned out. I actually intended to wake up early in the morning, have my hair
At around
undone.
10, yeah. At around 10.
I woke up at 9 to have my hair undone, and then it was supposed to be done by now. It's around 10:40 or something.
What's the need of undoing it then doing it again?
So that I can look cute.
Oh, okay.
Cute. Yeah, so then this guy over here told me, I need your signature so that we can get our monies. So we are here now, and my hair is still not done, and my appointment is late by almost an hour and a half. But we're still gonna do it, and yeah, I just thought to bring you guys along or just hang out with us in the car because the systems in the bank are down. And yeah, so we're just chilling
Everything
here.
about this bank is done. That's why we are donating.
He's donating a water tank to the bank because the one, I'll show you the one they used to wash hands. It's tiny, so yeah. So tell them something.
Something.
No. Let's do a random. Let us do a random Q&A. Sindio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to do the Q&A because we had to leave the bank because their systems were low, as in they were still low. So we decided to try out another bank, and then later that day I got my hair undone and braided. I decided to go with this. Not really me, my salonist, my hairdresser decided that I should wear these braids. I've never had them before. I don't do braids, but I trust her with my hair, so yeah. Then that was it, and yeah.
The next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day and we are traveling up country. So I don't know whether I'll get to film so much of this weekend, but I'll try as much as possible. Maybe I'll take a snippet of the activities that we are going to partake, but if I don't, I'll try as much as possible to update you on what went on. But for now, let's go. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. So yeah.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who
So that's my attempt at Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Otherwise, see you in my next video. Yeah. So thank you.